Hello guys, today in this session we'll learn how to install JDK 21 on Windows. So you have to open browser and search Oracle Java. Simply click Java Software Oracle. Then you have to click on download Java. We have to install JDK 21, so you have to click JDK 21 on Windows. Into 64 installer 164 MB download. So you can see it is started, but it will take some time, so you can wait. So you can see it is downloaded. Right click, open, minimize the window. Yes, next. It is the path C drive program files Java JDK 21, so you can change it later. So next, this is downloading. It will take some time. Close. So it has downloaded. Now let us go to the path C drive. If you remember, it was in program files Java JDK 21 bin. So you have to simply right click and copy. Now we are setting the environment variables. Now we have to open start, type environment variables. Under system properties, advanced, environment variables, system variables, path, new, paste, next, close. Okay, now we have successfully installed. Now go to start, command prompt, open command prompt. To check that JDK is installed successfully or not, type java -- version, press enter. So you can see Java 21 JDK 21 has installed successfully. So thank you guys, I hope you like it.